Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot lead routing with assignment rules, full guide step by step clearly.
Log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, find and select Objects. Click on Contacts under the Objects section. Scroll down to the Lead Routing tab. Here, you will see the option for Assignment Rules. Click on Create Assignment Rule to start a new rule. Enter a descriptive name for your assignment rule.
Define the criteria that will trigger this rule. You can specify conditions based on properties like lifecycle stage, lead source, or custom fields. After setting your criteria, move to the next section to assign the leads. Choose the team or individual who will receive the leads. You can also set up round-robin distribution if desired.
Once you have selected the assignees, review your rule settings.
Ensure that all criteria and assignments are as intended. If everything looks good, click on Save to apply your new assignment rule.
To activate the rule, make sure to toggle the active switch. Now your updated lead routing with assignment rules is set up.
Monitor the performance of the assignment rules regularly. Adjust the criteria or assignments as needed to optimize lead handling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.